Today I'm going to demonstrate the 21S, how to adjust red light deviation. First remove the 7 screws that set the shell. Loosen the 2 motor locking screws appropriately. Turn the tail of the motor slightly. Adjust the red light so that it is centered right and left when the red light is down properly. Tighten the screw in front. Turn the red light upward when the red light is tilted upwards. Tighten the rear screw appropriately. Turn the red light down. Lock the front and rear screws simultaneously. Make sure the red light is centered, and the motor cannot be turned. Reinstall the shell. Lock the setting screws. Red light centering is complete.